Welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's your creative guy speaking. Today we are gonna talk about top 10 expensive dogs. So let's get into the video. But before going, please like, subscribe and comment. Number 10, Afghan Hound, $7,000. Number 9, Pharaoh Hound, $7,500. Number 8, Dogo Argentino, $8,000. Number 7, Canadian Eskimo Dog, $8,750. Number 6, Rottweiler, $9,000. Number 5, Azawak, $9,500. Number 4, Tibetan Mastiff, $10,000. Number 3, Chow Chow, $11,000. Number 2, Lochin, $12,000. Number 1, Samoyed, $14,000.